Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies, and I haven't tried them yet, but I'm hoping this recipe turns out really good. I will let you know. So the first thing are the ingredients. I'll leave a link somewhere. Yeah, you can go check it out. It's got like a whole list of all the ingredients. I'm doing Perfect Chocolate Chip Cookies by Tasty, and it's 18 cookies. So you're gonna need 1 cup of bread flour, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You're gonna need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. That's optional. I decided not to use that in this video or in this recipe. You're gonna need 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, so 2 eggs. Half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 5 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is sift in the flour and the salt and the baking soda into a medium bowl. Okay, so now that you're done sifting the dry ingredients, in a medium saucepan, you're going to add the butter and melt it over medium heat. So you're going to bring the butter to a boil and stir it. Just constantly stir it. Even if it starts to foam, just turn the heat down and then just keep stirring. And once it's turned into like a nice brown color, you're going to remove it from the heat and pour it into a measuring cup. And then stick it in the fridge to cool it down to room temperature. Okay, so in a large bowl, you're going to combine all the sugars, the vanilla, and your cooled down brown butter. So I actually was so impatient and I didn't wait for my butter to melt, or to cool down. So it made my mixture like really soggy, but it ended up turning out okay in the end, so I guess you don't have to wait, but yeah. Okay, so now you're going to add the dry ingredients, and you're going to start chopping up the dark chocolate chunks. I did mine super thin because I don't like really big chunks in my cookies, but you can leave them large if you want to. Alright, so now that you've added your chocolate chips to the mixture and mixed it thoroughly, you're going to stick your dough in the fridge for about an hour or overnight, depending on how much time you have. Alright, and now you're going to want to set the oven to 350 degrees and bake your cookies for 12 to 14 minutes. Alright, so these are what the cookies look like. They look delicious, like they look like absolutely perfect. Now it's time to taste them. I'm so excited. Yeah. So. Nice and crunchy on the outside. I let them cool down for a while, so they're not really like gooey on the inside still, but like when I first took them out, they were like that, so. That's delicious. Okay, so this recipe, like out of 10, I'd give it an 11. This was amazing. This cookie is amazing. I'm probably gonna eat all of them. Yeah, so try it out. Let me know what you think. Yeah, enjoy.